Well, hey there. Today we're going to do a product review of a product called Live and Sleep Classic. It's a mattress for beds, both in sticks and bricks, and for the RV, which obviously we're going to use it for the RV.
Yeah.
I have to give you a disclaimer. We do not work for this company. They did not give us this product. We bought it on our own because of the research Carolyn did and other family members having it. She'll go in more detail about that. And if you want more information about it, well, we're going to put a link down below in the description and maybe different parts in the video where you can actually click on to Amazon and purchase this if you like it. So Carolyn, tell them about all the research you did and how you found it.
Well, I got tired of sleeping on the mattress that came with the RV because I was tossing and turning all night long. So our kids have this particular mattress at both their houses, and we were babysitting the grandkids for a week, and we got to sleep on it. It was like, oh my gosh, it was wonderful. So I did a lot of research online. I came across this particular one, which happens to be the same one that we were able to sleep on. And it comes in all different sizes. I went onto their website and checked out more information. Then I bought it through Amazon, which, you know, with Amazon Prime, it's like delivered in 2 days. But it's great. I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, I think it's going to work out pretty good. Both of us have a tendency, my broad shoulders and Carolyn, just her body where she's at, she tends to sleep on her back because her shoulders will go to sleep. So do I. And we snore, wake each other up and ourselves up.
I do snore.
So hopefully with this, and on Carolyn, me too, it'll actually, our arms will go to sleep and then we end up being very restless sleepers. So with this particular mattress, when we slept on our kids' bed, from when we were watching the grandbabies for about 4 or 5 days.
No shoulder pain whatsoever.
Big difference.
Great. So I am real excited about this.
Yep. And it's perfect for the RV. Like Carolyn said, they got all kinds of different sizes. You measure it, figure out which one you want, and you can order. So it works out pretty good. So with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go inside and we're going to show you how we set it up.
Okay, when we started out we've had this rig for about 2 years, so it's the original mattress for the rig, but we started going full-time about almost a year ago. This was the original mattress that came with it. It's only 5 inches thick, and it is hard. So we did everything that we possibly could, but when we sold our house, I had this little extra mattress pad that's 3 inches thick, and we put it on top. And it worked great for a while, but you know, these things only last so long. And my shoulders were really starting to kill me because I'm a side sleeper. So that's the reason I started looking for a new mattress, so I wouldn't wake up 20 times a night with my shoulders just killing me. Now, before I ordered the mattress, I had to measure to make sure I got the right size. So I measured the length, which is 80. The width is 60, so that's a regular queen size mattress. So we lucked out we can get a regular queen size. But they do make the queen RV shorts. Now, if you go to their actual website, they will have a chart that tells you all the different dimensions, the heights, the widths, the depths, everything that you need to know to make sure that you get the right size mattress. They have a lot of information on that.
All right, so Carolyn ordered this off the internet, off the Amazon, and had it shipped here. Had it shipped pretty fast. We use Prime. So I'm going to go ahead and it comes with an outside cardboard container on the inside. It has cellophane where it's wrapped up, and as you cut the cellophane, it's literally going to expand over a period of time, and get to the right size. So we'll show you how we do that. So I'm just taking off the cardboard here. Comes with the instructions on how to take care of it, set it up. Pretty heavy, so you got to do it smartly. And that's how it comes. So we're going to take it inside, take this wrapping off. As you can see, it's compressed pretty good, and then it's expand and fill in the spot. And we're gonna have a nice new queen size mattress. Oh, by the way, So this, you don't have to have a box spring with this and a mattress separate. This is all in one. It expands and has enough support for even your sticks and bricks houses, like we mentioned, Carolyn said. Both of our daughters and son-in-laws have the same product they use in their bed in their house every day, and it'll work for you too. So if you want it for the RV and you like it a lot, you want to put it in your house, great, or the opposite way. So you gotta be careful, this bad boy is heavy. You want to take your time getting it inside, position it just right before you take off this plastic sheeting. All right, so and go ahead and put it in here, and I'm going to take this off. Let me see where it's going to unfold at, right there, I'm assuming. I don't know if there's a bottom or a top, but we'll find out. All right, I'm very carefully opening this plastic. I don't want to hurt the bed or anything underneath, obviously. I'm not sure how fast this will pop open or not. Yeah, that's really... Whoop, there it goes. It's starting.
Oh my gosh, it's fast.
There's that. You can hear it.
And you can hear it sucking in the air.
Hear that? You can see it expanding. Okay. So I'm going to assume that's the bottom. It came with an extra pillow too. Interesting. Okay. Wow, you can hear it bringing in that air, or at least trying to.
Oh my gosh.
And that's got to be the top. Yeah, there's the bottom. Better hurry, this thing is going to have to expand easily. Here's your extra pillow. It even has a zipper you can take off, unzip it, and you can actually wash the cover. That's another thing that we liked about this product. That way, you know, over time you just got to wash this stuff so it smells nice and fresh. Ooh, it's expanding pretty good. That's quick. All right, so
oh my gosh, look at that.
that's probably going to be the bottom over there.
Yes, that's the bottom.
Wow, it's almost unmanageable.
Yeah, let me see if I can help you.
Okay, sorry about the technical difficulties. Carolyn had to help me. It was expanding so fast, we were afraid we weren't going to be able to get it into place. So it's in its spot. Tell you what, it filled back up and expanded pretty quick. I've got all the plastic off it, so I'm not sure how much more it's supposed to go out, but they say you're supposed to let it sit for a while until it completely fills back up with air that's needed. But that looks pretty nice. Ooh, that feels good. Back. Oh, that's much better, Carolyn. You're gonna like sleeping on this.
So now we're going to see how thick this one is. I think it's a lot thicker than the other one was. It is. It's 8 inches, just like the other one, but let me see. Oh my gosh, this is so much nicer. Oh, this is great.
That's it. It's done. We'll have to make sure and give you a review on how we sleep on it tonight.
And I think it's going to be good.
Yeah. Well, wow, that is really a big difference. That's nice.
So tonight we're actually going to sleep on the mattress, and I'm really excited about that. So hopefully I get a really good night's sleep, and we're going to let you know how it is in the morning. It's been a couple days. It was originally at 8 inches that it came up to, but it's expanded up to the full 10 inches now. We told you we'd get back with you and let you know how it turned out.
We slept on it. I'm sorry. We slept on it 2 nights.
2 nights.
And I feel it feels good. I'm enjoying it. Carolyn seems to be enjoying it too.
And I feel a lot better. I'm still adjusting to it just because of my back issues, but I think it's just awesome. So far, everything's really, really good. So I'm excited about it.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
My back is very happy about it.
That's good. All right. So if you like this product, we'll put the details down in the description below. And if you want to see more product reviews or just see our full-time RVing life, going all around the country with our fifth wheel toy hauler and riding the Harley, meeting people and just do exciting things, by all means, click on the like and subscribe button, and then also click on the bell so that whenever we put out a new video, you'll get alerted that we have a new video to watch out. All right, now always remember, we'll take you there.